I'm Dr. Linda Joy Rose of Raw Fusion Living for eHow.com, showing you how to save ripe bananas. I have a banana here that is already somewhat yellow. It's got still a little green left. If you want to save a banana from ripening, if you know that you're not going to be using it for a while, you can put it in the refrigerator. You don't want to take a real green banana and do that because you will retard the ripening process. But if you put a banana like this in the refrigerator, the skin might turn black, but it's still going to be totally good to use when you're ready to use it. Now, when you do have these bananas that start getting very dark with all these spots, my favorite thing to do is to peel the banana. And then what I do is I break them in half and I store them in a plastic bag in the freezer. I make a lot of green smoothies and protein shakes. And these bananas give a fantastic taste and texture to your smoothies and your shakes. So it's as simple as that. Ripe bananas are fantastic for you. They're thought to have greater antioxidant power the riper that they get, and they're loaded with all kinds of good things like potassium, folate, B6, vitamin C, pectin, and very beneficial fiber. This is how you save ripe bananas. Dr. Linda Joy Rose for eHow.com.